Let's solve the trigonometric equation square root of 3 times cotangent of x plus 1 equals 0, where x is between 0 and 2 pi. Let's start by isolating cotangent of x on one side of the equation. We'll subtract 1 from both sides. Next, we'll divide both sides by square root of 3 to isolate cotangent of x. Now, let's recall that cotangent of x equals negative tangent of x plus pi over 2. This means our solution will be pi over 2 minus arctangent of 1 over root 3. Let's recall that arctangent of 1 over root 3 equals pi over 6. This means our first solution is pi over 2 minus pi over 6, which equals pi over 3. However, since cotangent has a period of pi, and our domain is from 0 to 2 pi, we need to add pi to our solution to get the second solution. Let's visualize these solutions on the unit circle. Therefore, the solutions to our equation in the domain 0 to 2 pi are x equals pi over 3 and x equals 4 pi over 3. Let's verify these solutions satisfy our original equation. When we plug in either value, we get square root of 3 times cotangent of x plus 1 equals 0. And that completes our solution. Remember, when solving trigonometric equations, always check for multiple solutions within your domain and verify your answers.